ComfyUI and SwarmUI are two platforms for AI image and video generation using node-based workflows. ComfyUI is a powerful open-source tool that offers full control over every step of the generation process. SwarmUI is a front-end interface built on top of ComfyUI that simplifies workflow creation and reduces complexity. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both platforms. ComfyUI is a node-based AI workflow tool primarily used for image and video generation. It gives users full control over how AI models function by allowing them to connect nodes like building blocks. This makes it extremely flexible for advanced users who want to design custom workflows, combine models, and optimize performance. One of its biggest strengths is efficiency on hardware, particularly VROM usage, because it manages resources carefully and avoids loading everything at once. ComfyUI is highly customizable, open source, and widely used by developers and AI artists. However, it has a steep learning curve, and beginners often find it confusing because workflows must be built manually step by step. SwarmUI is built to make ComfyUI easier and faster to use. It acts as a cleaner front-end interface on top of ComfyUI, simplifying workflow creation and reducing the need to manually connect complex nodes. SwarmUI focuses on usability, speed of setup, and convenience. Users can still access powerful ComfyUI features in the background, but SwarmUI automates many parts, allowing image generation and workflow execution much faster without deep technical knowledge. It is especially useful for users who want ComfyUI power without dealing with its complexity. Key comparison points. Control. ComfyUI offers full control over every workflow step. SwarmUI offers less direct control but abstracts complexity. Ease of use. ComfyUI has a steep learning curve and requires manual node connections. SwarmUI is beginner-friendly with automated processes. Hardware efficiency. ComfyUI is highly efficient with RAM usage due to careful resource management. SwarmUI inherits ComfyUI efficiency but adds interface overhead. Customization. ComfyUI is fully customizable and open source. SwarmUI is built on ComfyUI but prioritizes usability over deep customization. Target user. ComfyUI suits advanced users, developers, and AI artists. SwarmUI suits users who want power without complexity. Recommendations. Choose ComfyUI if you are a power user or professional who wants maximum control, advanced workflow building, and the ability to optimize performance. It is best for users who are willing to invest time in learning the node-based interface and want complete customization. Choose SwarmUI if you want the power of ComfyUI without dealing with its complexity. It is best for users who prioritize usability, speed of setup, and convenience over deep manual control. For most users, SwarmUI offers better overall efficiency because it saves time and reduces complexity. In 2026, ComfyUI is more efficient in terms of control, optimization, and advanced workflow building, especially for professionals. SwarmUI is more efficient in terms of usability, setup, speed, and ease of use. The choice depends on whether you want maximum control and are willing to learn, or whether you prefer a faster, simpler workflow with less complexity.